Best ways to use baking soda for bad breath. A collection of anaerobic bacteria that live on the tongue and the insides of the cheeks produce a terrible odor that is emitted as bad breath. Baking soda for bad breath is an excellent way to keep it at bay. Bad breath, also known as halitosis, can be caused by internal factors such as stomach troubles or tonsil infections and external factors such as odorous meals, for example, onions and garlic, or regular smoking. Bad breath can be unpleasant and might prevent you from speaking confidently in public. A bad case of breath isn't only a cause of social embarrassment, but it can also be a sign of some underlying digestive condition. So, you might wonder what the best way to deal with bad breath is. Brushing twice a day, staying hydrated, and taking antibiotics for various illnesses are all long-term remedies. But there is a quick remedy for this issue that is also slightly long-lasting, and it utilizes baking soda, a pantry staple. Can baking soda prevent bad breath? The one efficient answer to bad breath is baking soda. Baking soda is a unique composition indeed. Here is how it works for bad breath. 1. It is alkaline in nature and neutralizes the high acidic levels in your mouth that are the cause for bad breath. 2. It kills the bacteria in the mouth that thrive in an environment rich in acidity and sucrose, by utilizing its antimicrobial properties. 3. Since it is not acidic, it causes no harm to the teeth, gums or bones. 1. Baking soda with water. Gargle. You will need 1 teaspoon baking soda, a cup of water. What you have to do: simply drop the powder into water, preferably warm. Allow the powder to fully dissolve and use this in place of a mouthwash. Gargle with the liquid for a good 30 seconds to 1 minute for best results. Repeat this every day for a few days only. 2. Baking soda and toothpaste. You will need 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, toothpaste, toothbrush. What you have to do: mix the baking soda with the usual amount of toothpaste you use. Place this on the toothbrush and brush your teeth as you would normally do. Use this every alternate day for a week. 3. Baking soda and salt. You will need 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking soda, a glass of tepid water. What you have to do: mix the salt and baking soda with the water and gargle with this for about a minute each time, until you use up all the water. Use this mouth rinse every alternate day until the bad breath goes away. 4. Baking soda and apple cider vinegar. You will need 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar, 1 cup weight. What you have to do: add the baking soda and vinegar to the water. Rinse your mouth with this for a couple of seconds and then spit it out. Finish the entire cup of water with repetitive mouth rinses. Do this twice or thrice a week. 5. Baking soda and honey. You will need 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon honey, a glass of warm water. What you have to do: mix the baking soda powder and honey in water. Drink this. Repeat this once a day for a few days, until the